I parked here this police jeep. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of toy vehicles really arranged. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will hand drive one by one all of these toys with my hand. So at first is a taxi car. Oh friends, I parked here my first toy taxi car. This is very nice pink and yellow color combination. And next one is a V2 racing car. I parked here this one beside this taxi. See this V2 racing car. This is a realistic model. This V2 racing car. Here is yellow, black and white color combination. This nice car. And now I will drive this Heavy Duty Faluder. I parked here this Faluder beside this V2 racing car. See this Faluder, this is a red, black and white color combination, this Heavy Duty Faluder. Next one is a police jeep. I parked here this police jeep beside this Heavy Duty Faluder. See this police jeep, this is very nice and realistic model. This jeep here is a yellow, black, orange and blue color combination. This jeep. So friends, one by one already 4 vehicles hand drived and serially parked here. This one is a Motu Paltu Stricker Sakib cover van. Oh friends, I parked here this cover van. This is very nice and realistic model. See this color, this is yellow, blue, black and orange color combination. And you can see here is a Motu Paltu sticker. Wow friend, this is very nice and realistic model cover van. Now I will drive this Deshi vehicle auto rickshaw. Let's go. I parked here this auto rickshaw beside this cover van. See this auto rickshaw, this is a yellow, black and white color combination. And last one is here a 911 emergency police helicopter. So I will try this one also. I also parked here this helicopter beside this auto rickshaw. See this helicopter, this is a realistic model plastic toy. Here is black, yellow and blue color combination, this nice helicopter. So friends, one by one all of these vehicles hand drive and introduced with you, and you also see all are serially parked here. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.